Hey, in this video I'll show you how to make boring scales exercises fun to do. So let's stop thinking about guitar practice as something boring and tedious to do. Let's make it fun and engaging. So check it out, I'll show you quickly here. So I've opened up YouTube here and I just typed in backing track in C major because I want to work on my C major scale. But you can type any scale you want to work on. So G major, the F major, the pentatonic scale, any guitar scale you want to practice, just type in backing track in scale, and then there's, can you see here, as you can see here, there's tons of different backing tracks you can play and use. So for me, I'm just use the second one here, acoustic rock guitar track C major. Okay, so I already opened it up here, and then what I do is I just I'm just gonna play the backing track and then I start playing my scales. So let me show you. Here we go. So it starts now, and I just play up and down the scale. And I start with just playing up and down chromatically, just note by note. And then I can do different positions, so I can play it up here as well. And then I can, after I've done it a few times up and down the scale, you can change the rhythm a bit. So you can just go freestyle. With whichever rhythm comes to mind, you can just play around with it. And I'm changing position again. Up here. Okay, so that's how I do it. Just choose a backing track, play the scales in different positions, and just have fun, you know. So that's a more interesting way to practice your scales. And another thing you can do is, if you still kind of struggling with the scale, get your metronome up, put it at 60 beats per minute, and then try to play. So just play that a few times with the metronome, try to get the timing right. And then try to speed it up a bit. So here I put it 66, a bit faster. Okay, so you can use a metronome, you can use the backing track, just have fun, right? So try it out, let me know what you think, and I'll see you in the next video.